The ratio of sugar to cinnamon is 15 to 1. Okay, so your total amount in there is 16. 15 of it is sugar, 1 of it is cinnamon. And we're trying to figure out how many ounces of sugar are in 24 ounces of the mixture. How many ounces of sugar are in 24 ounces? Now, that's what we're trying to find. Let's set that equal to what we know. The two numerators have to be the same units. X represents the amount of sugar. We know our amount of sugar is 15. This 24 represents a total of 15 plus 1, which is 16. So we just need to solve this equation. X over 24 equals 15 over 16. And you cross multiply, and that gives you 16x equals 24 times 15. And now divide both sides by 16. That's 24 times 15. Don't multiply those out. We don't want our numbers to get bigger. Now 4 will go into 16 4 times. And 4 will go into 24 6 times. And I guess I should have done an 8. 2 will go into 4 twice. 2 will go into 6 3. So we're left with 45. 3 times 15 is 45 over 2. And that's going to be 22.5 is your answer. And then the next one is negative 3 to the negative 2. The way you get rid of negative exponents, you take them to the opposite place they're in. You could write this problem over 1. You have a negative 2 as an exponent in the numerator. If you move that to the denominator, it changes the sign of the exponent. And you're left with a 1 up there. There's a 1 there. So your answer will be 1/9. Because a negative 3 times a negative 3 is a positive 9. So that's that problem. Just to practice, if you had x to the negative 2, y cubed, over a z to the negative 1, move the x, we don't want to have negative exponents. Look at the x to the negative 2, move that to the bottom, that makes that positive 2. There's nothing wrong with y cubed, so leave that where it is. Z to the negative 1 is in the denominator. I want that to be a positive exponent. I'd move it to the top.